Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This your big homie Jared, and you're rocking with the Retro Insider YouTube channel. Shout out to all you new and returning viewers. Thank you so much for checking out today's content, which happens to be another New Balance unboxing, which is becoming a very frequent thing here on this channel. So if you are new, consider subscribing so you can get all of this goodness that I have for you guys today. So without any further ado, let's look at the box and see what we have in here. We have the MS997LB. Now this happens to be the New Balance 997 Sport, and I was able to get this for a tremendous deal. And stay to the end of the video so you can figure out where I was able to get it. Now without any further ado, let's get right into this box. And by Dow. So a very, very underrated shoe, if I could start this video off by saying that. So let me give y'all a quick look around this shoe real quick. Some of these design elements so you can get a good look at what this shoe is working with. Uh-oh, Lord. What this shoe is working with today. Now, as I stated, this is the New Balance 997 Sport. Retails for $120, and I was able to get this shoe actually for $75. So a great deal, well below retail, which, you know, I know you guys like saving money. So I'll definitely tell you where you can get this potentially for that price. So yeah, a little bit about the shoe. It originally dropped, I think, sometime last year, rather, in 2019, as far as this colorway. I think the silhouette itself released in 2018, if I'm not mistaken. But this particular colorway released in 2019. Of course, the upper is closely related to the 997 that it's based off on, which is the classic, iconic retro runner silhouette from New Balance, and just a modern take on it. And I think New Balance is doing a great job of trying to reposition itself and appeal to a younger audience. And this is a shoe that definitely does that in a major way. Now, this particular colorway giving me kind of like the Charlotte Hornet vibes with this kind of teal and absorb. Now, one major design feature of this shoe is that teal fabric, which happens to be Cordura, and you'll see that tag on the back heel. Now, this fabric is known for its durability, scratch resistance, and just being a durable, long-lasting material, which is important for this shoe because I think they're marketing it as a trail shoe. And if we look at the outsole, you can kind of see that chunky pattern and that motion control device and that absorb logo there. But yeah, mainly this traction pattern, you can tell, looks like it's ready for something dangerous or something, you know, rough and rugged. So this is the shoe that you can definitely get away with wearing, not only on the trail but also just lifestyle as well. It has this end cap reveal midsole technology, which, you know, it's an outside that's kind of a stiffer rubber foam, and then the inside sort of softer cushioning. And of course, this absorb, which is also found on the New Balance 998, is also a part of this midsole. So I imagine this is going to be a comfortable shoe. Now, as far as the other materials, you can see we have this kind of long-haired suede, and I really like this addition to the shoe because it just adds more texture to it, and it feels really, really great. Looks good on this particular shoe. Now, this particular material that wraps around the toe box, not sure exactly what it is, but it's definitely one that's durable, and you can feel it. You can just feel it. It just feels like something that could withstand just about anything you threw at it. And also, we have this neoprene that wraps around this ankle, and this looks like a tongue, but it's all one piece. So it's like a booty-like construction. I know that sounds funny, but yeah, booty construction. So if you got cankles, it might be a little tight like me around here, but something you could probably work with, no doubt about it. So yeah, then we have this 997S up here. So as far as sizing, I will say this shoe for some reason is really, really narrow. I stuck my foot in it and I instantly felt pressure kind of on the, and I apologize, guys, the video cut out on me right in as I was talking. But yeah, the shoe does fit a little bit tight, and it's kind of different compared to most New Balances that are a little bit wider, at least in the toe box. But the midfoot area is very narrow on this shoe, so I wouldn't really suggest you going up a full or a half size, because the length is great. It's, you know, a little even long, but something about that midfoot area is a little bit tight on this shoe. So if you do have a wider foot, you definitely want to go ahead and check these out in the store if you have a chance. These are available, at least this style is available at a lot of the foot stores like Champs. So if you have a Champs around, go check these out. Try them on, even if it's not the same colorway, just try it on for fit, and then you can go online and buy these if you'd like. Now, as far as where I was able to get these, I got these from Hibbit.com, which has been an online store that I've been shopping at recently because they got great deals. And so I was able to get this shoe, which retails for $120, for for $75. I was able to use a $10 coupon that I had accumulated after using a lot of points, shopping and gaining points rather, to get these down to $75, which is well below retail. So yeah, guys, this is a great shoe. Like I said, I think New Balance is doing a great job trying to position themselves in the eyes of younger buyers and looking appealing, because this shoe right here is dope, and they have other colorways. I got another colorway coming that we're going to look at in a couple days. But yeah, now's the time for you to let me know exactly how you feel about this shoe. Is this something that you've been looking at, or is this something you had never seen but are now interested in? Do you hate it? Just let me know what your thoughts are on this shoe in the comments below. I love to get a conversation going with regards to the New Balance 997 Sports. Now, also, don't forget to follow us on YouTube, not YouTube, but Instagram and Twitter at The Retro Insider. And then check out theretroinsider.com. We have release dates, reviews, and more info regarding sneakers like this. Now, in a couple days, I'll have the full review. A link to that in the description. So if you're watching this a couple days later, check that out and get more info on what I think about this shoe. But appreciate you guys checking out the video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day or evening. Until next time, stay humble and proceed.